Okay, I am redoing my screencast for how to make a wiki. For those of you who were unable to access it, I'm very sorry about that. I was unaware that the link was not working. So I'm going to go ahead and sign into Wikispaces, which everybody here has an account. And what you want to do is you want to click this new wiki to start a new wiki. You want to think of a new wiki name. So my AdLit class, we'll just say that. And you want it to be protected but free, so only the members that you invite will be able to get into your wiki. And you will be inviting all of us, and you will use this for, you will use this for higher education because it's for our course, and then create. Now here's your new wiki. Now what you can do is edit it, and instead of saying welcome to your new wiki, you're going to say whatever you want to say. Miss Belial's 8th grade adolescent literature course. Sorry. Okay. Now, here's some more instructions. All you have to do is save to save anything. So if I save this right now, this is the name of my home page. Okay? And I'll leave this up here. You can read it, but when you want to get rid of it, you just click Edit, because you read it already or copied and pasted it on a Word document, and we'll just get rid of it here. We'll just delete. Okay, we're going to delete. Now on this home page, I suggest that you talk a little bit about the rationale for why we're using this wiki as a place for multimodal composition in response to adolescent literature. And so you're going to be making some introductory comments. You might want to put the rationale for, definitely you want to put the novel that you're going to be reading. You definitely want to put the author, the publisher, the date of publication, the whole citation. You will want to maybe talk about what you will be doing in this course. Okay. You might want to put a link here to the author's website. You might want to put a link or upload an image here on this first page, just to make it look good. So when you go here for File, you want to upload a file. We have no, right now there's no files in here, so I'm going to pick a picture here and upload it. Okay. Now it says click to embed file or click to link to file. I think I want to embed the file and make it look like it's there. Alright, but before I do this, I'm going to close out of this and make sure my cursor is where I want my picture. So I'm going to go into the course and I'm going to put my cursor right there, and then I'm going to go to File because I've uploaded my file, and I'm going to click and my picture will be there. Now here's where you can change the size. So I can change the size, I can make it smaller. This is my dog, Chloe. And save. So that's how you put in an image. You could put in an image of you. You could put in an image of anything you want. If you wanted to do a link, for example, I'm going to go to NCTE, which is the National Council of Teachers of English, and I'm going to click on middle for the middle school, and I'm going to put a link here just for you to see how to do a link. So I'm going to copy, highlight the link, copy it on my browser, go back to the wiki, edit, always edit, and I'm going to say link to NCTE middle school page. And then I'm going to go to the link icon right here, and I'm going to say it's an external link, and I'm going to paste the text right here in this window, and I'm going to click that it should open in a new window, and I'm going to, before I do that, I want to cancel this, because what I forgot to do is I want to highlight the what I want to link to. Go to the link, click link. All right, we've got everything in there, except it's not an external link. We want to paste the external link, click new window, and add link. Now click save. Okay. Now you will want to be adding pages for the different projects that you're going to be doing, and for checkpoint 1 you're going to be wanting to create a Google Docs document. It could be what we did, or it could be something that you want to do by yourself, something that you've thought of. Sorry for my dog to be barking. So we're going to call this Google Docs presentation, and we're just going to create. Okay, and now we have, this is our Google Docs presentation. And here you will describe your project. So you're going to be describing your project. You're going to be putting an example of something you made. You could take the example that you already made for our class, but I would like you to kind of try to do it again. Try to do a different one. So let's go ahead and save this. Okay, and now that you see that we've got the Google Docs presentation link right here, and if we want to go back to the wiki home, we click here. So let's go back to the Google Docs presentation page, and I want you to notice something. When you click Edit, you can change the size of your font by highlighting and putting a larger heading. You can make bulleted items, you can bold your text, you can italicize your text, you can stick in a YouTube video, which you're going to be doing. You're going to be embedding that when you do your PSAs, but we're not there yet. So the Google Docs presentation will be just a link, just like, well, actually, we embedded our file when we did it on our wiki. So you're going to do the same thing here. You will want to also put in a rubric for your students. What are the expectations of your students? How will you be grading? Okay, so this should be listed here. So this is basically how you start your wiki with your first page, and if you have any questions, please let me know. I hope this video comes through. I'll make sure to check it.